Hello guys, welcome to our weekly Forex forecast. I've been away for a long time. Like I had some technical problems with my computer, so I couldn't do a video for you guys. But fine, we are back now. Let's do it. We're gonna start with the Euro US dollar, as we normally do. Then, as you can see, that this pair has given us this wave, of which I call it wave A. This, it's my wave B. And this whole thing right here is wave C. But it is wave C still in progress, okay? So let's just do it in detail. So this thing here, it's wave C, as I said. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 right there. Now we are busy making wave 4, okay? As you can see right here, we made this move. Then after that, no man, what's that now? We made this move. Then we made this correcting this whole thing right there. Now, as from next week, we'll be anticipating this move right here. But there is a possibility that it won't just go to these levels. But as the market is today, as the data that we have is today, this is what we are anticipating going into the following week. That means we will be looking to get into sell opportunities. That means we'll be anticipating to sell this market to these levels, at least to these levels right here. We'll be anticipating that move coming next week. But I want you guys also to pay attention, because as much as from next week, like we'll be as the week starts, we'll be looking to sell. But the bigger wave is to the upside. The bigger wave is to the upside. That's what we'll be more interested on. Maybe we might not even take this trade, because the bigger wave from here, that means wave 5, this is the most trade that we'll be looking to get. This one, the up trade, it's bigger than this one. So we'll be more interested on getting this wave. But it won't just go up. It has to, as the structure is now, it has to go down first. Let's go to the Great Britain US dollar. We're gonna go to the supply and demand. As you guys can see, let's start from the weekly time frame. That here is a supply zone, a weekly supply zone. So in the supply zone, what we do, we sell. Here is the monthly supply zone. We haven't reached this monthly supply zone, okay, but we have already reached a weekly supply zone. What we do in the week in the supply zone is selling the market. So coming into the next week, maybe this market can this is the daily supply area. We haven't reached it yet. So coming into the following week, so we'll be maybe expecting it to push a little bit higher. Then from there, we'll be looking to sell it. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So we're expecting a little bit push higher. Then we will look to sell this market, okay? Coming here, maybe we're gonna get a little bit push higher, but we're not interested in this wave up. We're only interested in selling this market to break these lows or even to break these lows right here. We're only interested in this move because of risk reward ratio. Now, this does not mean, guys, this market cannot push even higher. It can, but it just means that we are not interested in that movement because of risk reward ratio, and also because of risky, that there is too much risky in buying this market at these levels. The only side that is less risk here is the one that is going down, and there is more room to the downside, and the risk reward ratio is more to the downside for us. That means if it goes up, if you are wrong and it goes up, we won't be trading it. We're not gonna be trading it. We're only interested in this wave. We are only interested in this wave, the downside wave. So that's it about that. Let's go to the CAD Japanese yen. CAD Japanese yen, it gave us an impulse move from there to here. Then this right here is a correction. This right here is a correction. Now coming here, there is a possibility that we are done correcting on this Y wave. Then we can even go to these levels probably, or even to these levels. It's either these levels or these levels. So what are we going to do in the coming week is that we're gonna look if it breaks here, then it gives us a small correction. We're gonna take it down to these levels. But there is a high possibility, as you can see, as you guys can also see, that here I've got X and a question mark. There is a possibility that this is gonna be a second X. As you can see that I have a first X, there is a possibility that we can get a second X. So what does that mean? It means that there is still a possibility that we can just bounce here and form this this Z wave. That's why I've got a question mark also there. There is still that possibility that we can still get that wave for this big wave. But all in all, the bigger wave is to the downside. Okay, it's either we're gonna break from here to these levels, or we're gonna push up again, go there and go down from that. So those are the two scenarios that can be folding out coming into the following week. Okay, so I think that's about it, guys. And I also want to thank everyone who has subscribed to our YouTube channel. We only I'm sorry, we've got 40, yeah, I think 40 subscribers to this date. So I thank you guys for the support. That alone will push us to even do more videos for you. Okay, so thank you guys. I want you guys to comment also in the comment section, to share our content, to like, that's about it. Thank you guys a lot. Wishing you the best week of trading in the coming week. Thank you guys. Bye bye.